If you have a first lien HELOC, you don't have a mortgage and the mortgage is paid off, and then you have a revolving credit line. And a second lien HELOC is the second line of credit behind your first mortgage. Hey guys, it's Angelo Christian Financial. Thank you so much for watching our show, Real Estate Insider. Today we're talking about the first lien and the second lien HELOC that we offer, comparison and contrast. The difference between a first lien and a second lien HELOC. We offer both of them as a direct lender. So the way it works is obviously if you have a first lien HELOC, you don't have a mortgage and the mortgage is paid off, and then you have a revolving credit line. And a second lien HELOC is the second line of credit behind your first mortgage. Both of them can go up to a $500,000 loan amount. On a primary residence, up to 90% loan to value. On a rental property, 75% loan to value. Interest rates are starting at 6.9%. And there's a 10-year draw period and a 20-year amortization. The beauty of the HELOC is that you can pay it off whenever you want and withdraw funds on demand whenever you want. So that's a very attractive thing versus a closed-end mortgage. Once you take out those funds, you have to immediately repay monthly, and you cannot withdraw funds at future times. So there's pros and cons to both, and we offer both of them. The minimum credit score for these is 680. The maximum debt ratio is 45%. Some of them require appraisal, some don't. But if you want more information about the first and second lien HELOCs, please reach out to us. Give us a call. Text my office if we can help you at 832-431-6330. We offer these nationwide with the exception of Texas and New York. So yeah, we'd love to hear from you. There's no cost to get started. There's no contract. There's no hard credit check. Like I said, if you want more information about any of these opportunities, don't be a stranger. Please reach out to us about the first or second lien HELOC. Thank you.